What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the state of Michigan. But first, last episode I had an Ohio Buckeye from Mally's here in Ohio. It was delicious, a great dessert, dangerous road trip snack. Did not get some for the road, but I loved it. But with that, you know the drill, we gotta rank it. We have a tough list growing here. I had to give it some thought. And guys, I put the Ohio Buckeye at number 30 on our list. It was good. Listen, all the things on our list are good. I'm not gonna sit here and defend myself. This is a tough list. I would snack on these. I thoroughly enjoyed it. But we have a good list here. But anyways, not gonna defend myself anymore. We have a bit of a drive today to get to Michigan. We're starting just east of Cleveland. We're gonna drive past Cleveland, stop to charge for a little bit. I don't know if we'll stop here in North Ridgeville. If we can push it further, we probably will, but we will see. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and hit the road to wherever we're gonna charge next. And by the way, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I didn't like it, then it was growing on me. Now I don't, whatever. I don't, delete that. Got here with 28%. Could have pushed it a little bit, got to a next charger with like 2%, but I wanted to stop here because, holy. That's gotta be the last one of this trip. I don't think they're in the Midwest. I could be wrong, but I wanted to do it one more time. Sorry about those last few clips. Not sure what's going on with the microphone. Hopefully I can figure that out. But I can show you a side-by-side of what just happened. I'm not going to, but just know I call this one Big Poopa for a reason. Big Poopa Brody for a reason. Free spanking. Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you right, boy. Look at your puree on your lips. You're trying to bite my finger. You're trying to bite my finger. You're trying to bite my finger. You want to freaking fight? You want to fight? You want to fight? You want to? I'll freaking fight you. I'll come back there and fight you right now. I'll come back there and fight you. I ain't kidding. Sorry for this view. I'll freaking fight you right now. Come on. What you got? Let me see. What you got? What you got? What you got? Hey, you punching me? You good? You got it out of your system? Well, I was gonna say I apologize for the mic situation. Hope it's better now. Hope it wasn't bad for a long time. Between the camera and the microphones, I'll figure this YouTube thing out eventually, I promise. I'm still a beginner now, but hopefully it sounds good and hopefully it stays good, because if it doesn't stay good, I don't know what to do. Anyways, I'm about to unplug here with 78%. We'll get to where we're going with 40%, and where we're going is the place to eat in Michigan. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hit the road towards Michigan for a late lunch. I just recorded that last clip of me shaking my head on cinematic mode. This is kind of hard. Look at that. That looks good. See, I'm still learning this YouTube video stuff, but dang, I'm gonna start using cinematic mode. Look at that. Blurry background, clear face. All right, let's keep driving. I had this, and then for some reason I had this, and then thought I can make it to Michigan without going to the bathroom. I gotta go. So I stopped at a service center here, and I didn't know this, but there's a supercharger here. I didn't even know. So I'm gonna plug in, run to the restroom, just for like 5 minutes. We'll be here, that's all. But it's cool. So there we are, and I wouldn't call that a dog park, but it is a fenced area. I can let them run around in without a leash, so we're gonna do that for a minute too. Come on, boys, just for a minute. I mean, it's not that big at all, but at least I can sniff for a minute. We're gonna have some fun though. I found this. Brody, fresh water for Brody. Watch out. See, it's windy out. Didn't that scare ya? All right, we got our sniffs, we good? Let's hit the road again. Do your boys. Don't know how much we have, but I know it is way more than enough. If I can unplug. 74%, yeah, we'll get where we're going to eat in Michigan in 40 minutes with 64%, plenty of battery. Let's keep going. Raider, we didn't even start, Raider, we didn't even see anything yet. Raider, please behave this time. We gotta pay a toll, please. All right, ready? Be a good boy. Hello. Hello. Sorry. Thank you very much. Hey, I can't take you anywhere. Look, what is that? Now you're mad now? Menace. All right, we are here where we're gonna eat. It's right there. Don't wanna show you guys yet because first we gotta put Michigan on the board. And I'm not gonna lie, we're in Lambertville, Michigan, and we're like 5 minutes into Michigan and we're not going much further, to be honest. So just on the southern border of Michigan and Ohio is where we're at to eat and where we're at to put Michigan on the board, which by the way, has a funny shape to it. That's not how it's shaped. They kind of included the Lake Michigan as there as well, but one giant upper-lower peninsula connection, Michigan on the board. But I'm actually getting kind of hungry and we're here. Let me turn the camera around a bit and show you guys where we're at and what we're gonna eat. Here in Lambertville, Michigan, we're trying a Detroit staple here in the state of Michigan, Detroit-style pizza. And to do that, we are gonna go pick one up from Jet's Pizza, an iconic pizza chain here in Michigan as well. Jet's started in 1978 when founder Eugene Jetz was on his way to buy a house and decided opening a pizza shop sounded like a better idea. Honestly, that is an incredible audible. And Detroit-style pizza isn't your typical slice. It's thick, square, crispy on the edges, and loaded with cheese all the way to the crust. Sounds good to me. Pizzas, or the One Pizza, has done pretty well so far on this series. New Haven, Connecticut holding that #1 spot. Detroit-style pizza, quite a bit different though. I know I'll like it. Let's go try it. All right, y'all, we're going just right outside here. Looks really good, really cheesy, really thick. The outsides are crispy. I got no napkins, I got no water. The shirt's in jeopardy with this one for sure, but we're just gonna go for it. I mean, that's a good looking pizza. Good size too, this is a small. Pretty light though, not as heavy as it looks, which is probably a good thing. Wish I had a napkin, it's all good, it's for the content. Detroit style pizza, Lambertville, Michigan. Cheers. Also, it's really hot. I'm gonna burn my face off. Thick crust. A little crispy, but the inner crust is nice and soft. And with this style of pizza, if you're a crust person, this is crispy like every bite. Every slice is a corner with the square pizza. This is tremendous. I mean, it's got some competition. New Haven pizza. We got some other pizza coming up. Don't want to spoil it, but I feel like when you talk about cities that are known for pizza, even New York pizza, which we didn't have, Detroit is, it doesn't really stack up to it in conversations, but it's unique for sure. But hey, if you're someone who prefers the crust over the sauce, the cheese, and the toppings, like if that's your favorite part of the pizza, you're gonna be a big Detroit style pizza fan. For me, the crust is probably the last part of it, and not that it's bad at all, like just clarifying. Cheese, I love. Toppings I love, sauce I love, and then crust at the bottom of that list. But fantastic pizza still. This is hitting the spot right now. I was hungry. Michigan's delivering pretty good. I am gonna house these last few bites here. Michigan, solid effort, solid outing, but I need to find something to touch besides my phone or my bag first before I have greasy fingers. Well, that being said, Michigan, Detroit style pizza, good effort. We'll wrap up in a bit. Alrighty, Detroit style pizza, thick, but in a way that's not heavy. It's got the uniqueness, it gets all those points, but as far as taste goes, it was good pizza. It was good pizza. But I'm gonna look here. I'll let you guys know tomorrow. And for now, thanks for watching Michigan. See you guys tomorrow.